guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, excuse me, in today's video we're going to be talking about a $17 million heist, and they got the robbers, and you could never in your wildest imagination guess who the robbers were. Anyways, let's get into the article. It says 4 policemen have been detained in connection with a robber in Helsha, St. Catherine last week when thieves made off with $17 million worth of jewelry, US $5,500 in cash and other items. The major organized crime and anti-corruption agency confirmed yesterday that the officers had been taken into custody, but their identities have not yet been released, and they always do that. They're saving them from shame and embarrassment. They always withhold their identity. Victims of the robbery, 2 senior citizens who returned to Jamaica 3 years ago after living in the United States for more than 40 years, had been visiting relatives in Florida, United States, when a neighbor who went to water their plants noticed things amiss and informed them of the break-in at their house last Monday. The couple, who requested anonymity, had planned to travel from Florida to New York but canceled the trip and returned to Jamaica on Tuesday evening. They reported the matter at the Helsha police station on Wednesday, but things only got worse. The elderly woman told Jamaica Observer on Thursday that she was summoned to her door by men dressed in police uniform Wednesday night. She thought they had come to take additional statements. About a little after 8, I had heard my name called 3 times, and I called my husband and said, "There is someone calling." 2 very tall, dressed like police officer in full blue. I got up and went to the door because they didn't identify themselves. They didn't say where they are from, and I had already spoken to a detective about the break-in. They ignored me, but I insisted on asking where they're from. They said Portmore, the woman related. I said this is Helsha, and Helsha cops came, crime unit came Monday, and I spoke to a detective. In fact, he left here 5 o'clock, so I don't understand. At that point, I got uncomfortable and I backed in. As soon as I backed in, the 3 men rushed my husband. He was right before me, and they pushed him up to me, then pushed us into the bedroom. She said the men ordered them to lie face down and not to make any eye contact. I heard footsteps running, bop, bop, bop. They had big guns, and they put a cushion over my husband's head, put the gun at the back of his head. I started praying aloud. They told me, shut up, she related last week. Insisting that she felt she was being targeted, the woman said she was terrified. According to the woman, $17 million worth of jewelry, receipts for some of the jewelry, US $5,500, bank statements, among other things, were stolen between Sunday and Wednesday night. She said $7 million worth of jewelry was taken. They emptied a drawer, took everything, watches, ring, jewelry sets. Then they came back Wednesday for the other bag I had secured with another $10 million worth of jewelry, she told the Star. The US $550, said the elderly woman, would have been taken the Wednesday night when men dressed like police assaulted her and her husband and searched the house. They have cleaned me out. Only God knows what's next. They even took toiletries, my wig, my makeup, and alcohol, she said. The St. Catherine South police are investigating. So they took these elderly couples everything, and they are returning residents. I think this is going to be the start of the whole returning residents being targeted again, and I hope it's not, because people have this mentality or think that because certain things are happening in Jamaica, they're not supposed to go back, they're not supposed to visit, and that's not what they should do. That's what they want you to do, so you can abandon your country and abandon your land and your resources. But in all truth and honesty, go back, visit, stay in one all-inclusive if you're afraid. Make sure you go back to the land of your birth, because these people can throw you out at any time. They don't care, okay? Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And tell me what you guys think about this story.